Hello everyone, I've been craving Korean barbecue, so today I'm going to make Asian style short ribs from Ideal Meat and Provisions. This recipe is so simple and delicious. For a marinade, we are going to use a half cup of low sodium soy sauce, a quarter cup dark brown sugar, a quarter cup mirin, an eighth cup sesame oil, an eighth cup rice vinegar, 2 cloves of fresh pressed garlic, juice of half a lemon, and 1 green onion cut. Now we're going to take all the ingredients and put them into the bowl. And now we'll whisk it together. You want to make sure all the ingredients are nice and combined. Alright, now that our marinade is done, we're going to take each rib, place it in, and then put it into a large resealable bag. Okay, so we have 2 pounds of ribs in our bag. Now we're going to put the rest of the marinade into the bag. And then just seal and make sure it's airtight. Now leave it in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, so we've waited a day and now it's time to cook. The ribs have been taken out of the refrigerator 30 minutes ago and put into a bowl. My barbecue is preheated to a medium-high temperature. Now we're going to place the ribs onto the barbecue. At a temperature of 350 degrees, the ribs should be browned and have grill marks when finished. This should take around 45 seconds to a minute on each side. Once you are done grilling, place the ribs on a platter. They are ready to serve. There you have it, perfectly cooked Asian style short ribs. A way to have Korean barbecue in your own home. From Ideal Meat and Provisions in Northridge, California.